Hi, I'm Heather, and I have completed the Reset program. I learned something new every time we met and every step of the process. And it was so encouraging and powerful to see people who were brand new to the process of elimination and hear their stories and their questions. There was just an opportunity for growth no matter which stage of the process that you are in. And the instructors added phenomenal detail and lessons. And it wasn't just about food, it really was about your whole self, your mind, your body, your soul. I loved the group setting. There was a sense of accountability without pressure. I just knew that I needed to be somewhere every week. And when I went, I wasn't going to be put on the spot. We decided to take on Reset as a family. So my husband and my 15-year-old twin daughters joined me in the program, and I kind of led us through it as the person who came to the sessions, but they really did the elimination at home with me. We took away so many powerful things. The results, if you're a numbers person, the results are clear. It is really black and white that food does have the power to heal our body. And what we put in really does matter and impacts who we are on a day-to-day basis. And for us, we learned that we have normalized how bad food makes us feel poorly. We are really thankful for the Reset program and the deeper understanding, awareness, and lessons from the program. And all in all, really believe that anybody and everybody would benefit from the Reset program. And it's great to do it in the group setting here at Functional Medicine of Idaho.